Not really a threat. He considers Nur Misuari as someone with his group can help in the end of the conflict in Mindanao. You must remember that Nur Misuari is, until now, perceived to be the leader of the Muslims.
Sulu people voted no to the BOL, so how do you take that?
Well, as we said earlier, the president will respect the sovereign will of a particular electorate. But winning doesn't mean that they will go against the law.
But it's possible.
No, you know why? I talked with Sakurtan, and he said he's not really against Bangsamoro Organic Law. They want, just like Nur Misuari, they want federalism better. O ibig sabihin, if federalism is better, ibig sabihin, Bangsa Organic Law is good. Kaya lang may better. So from that point, or from that argument, hindi sila, pwede sila, they can play along.
The president is planning to talk with Mr. Misuari, so what issues does he plan
He wants
to...
what?
He wants to talk with Mr. Misuari, right?
Yes.
On this matter. So what issues will he take up with him?
Because Nur Misuari has mentioned, or has certain ideas. I also talked to him, and he said, there are many ideas that I can contribute for the peace, prosperity, and progress of Mindanao. That's why I like to talk with the president. And I relate that to the president. And so the president is wanting or open to talking to him with respect to whatever suggestions he has in mind.
But apparently he wants federalism, so how else the president can...
Well, you can always persuade people. Depende yan eh. If your idea is good enough, people will always be open to good ideas. Eh, kung hindi po pwede yan, di iba naman. Just like the president. President makes or introduces one idea or one method. If it doesn't work, he goes to another mode. He's a creative president.